You are watching Tomorrow's Classrooms Today, a masterclass on conjunctions to connect thoughts and create meaning. This session is ideal for teachers planning rigorous and creative lessons, as well as for students seeking to add clarity and depth to writing. We will be connecting learning outcomes to Bloom's taxonomy to target higher order thinking. Each section is designed to gradually deepen understanding, starting with the identifying conjunctions and progressing to using them creatively in writing. Let's start the foundational level. A conjunction is a word or group of words used to connect words, phrases, clauses, or sentences, or connects two words of equal importance, tea and coffee, and connects two phrases of equal importance, the park and the library. Either or connects two similar clauses, we go now and we will be late. However, connects two similar sentences, he was tired and he kept working. Let's connect the two halves to form meaningful sentences. One connects with B, where but links two words. Two with A, where wherever joins two clauses. Three with D, where both and correlates two phrases. 4 with C, where as a result bridges two sentences. Why use conjunctions? Without conjunctions, our writing would sound choppy or disjointed. With conjunctions, we can connect thoughts and create meanings. Let's link the two clauses to form meaningful sentences. One links with B, wherein so connects two independent clauses. A comma is used before a coordinator in compound sentences. 2 with A, wherein although joins an independent and a dependent clause, a comma is used when the dependent clause comes first but is omitted when it comes last in complex sentences. 3 with D, wherein not only but also correlates two independent clauses. A comma is used after the first clause. 4 with C, wherein on the contrary bridges two independent clauses. A semicolon is used before and a comma after if joining clauses. Conjunctions serve as essential connectors in language, performing the following key functions. Introduces dependent clauses, form compound and complex sentences, join equal elements, express relationships between ideas, logical, comparative, structural, and temporal. Let's identify the function the conjunction carries out. If triggers a condition showing a logical relationship, or introduces an alternative option showing a comparative relationship, as if describes a manner showing a structural relationship, after relates events to time showing a temporal relationship. 4 categories of conjunctions exist. Coordinating, fanboys join equal parts. Subordinating, others link dependent to independent clauses. Correlative conjunctions work in pairs to join equal sentence parts. And conjunctive adverbs act as transitions between independent clauses. Let's identify the conjunction type used. For a coordinating conjunction connects two independent clauses showing reason or cause. Whichever, a subordinating conjunction introduces a dependent clause showing choice. Neither nor a correlative conjunction correlates two negative ideas showing parallelism. In other words, a conjunctive adverb introduces a restatement of the previous sentence. Conjunctions are usually placed in mid and initial positions. Whenever a compound conjunction and on the other hand a phrasal conjunction are placed in initial positions, but a single word conjunction and in fact a two-word conjunction are placed in mid positions. Let's identify the placement of conjunctions. Nor, a mid-placed coordinator connects two independent clauses showing parallelism, even though an initial placed subordinator introduces an independent clause expressing concession. No sooner than an initial mid-placed correlative connects two clauses in a cause-effect relation. Nevertheless, an initial placed conjunctive links two independent sentences, signaling contrast. Conjunctions can be single word, for example, and, compound, example, whenever, two word, example, either or, phrasal, example, on the contrary. Let's identify the structure of conjunctions. Yet, a single word coordinator connects two independent clauses. Otherwise, a compound conjunctive links two independent clauses. No matter how a phrasal subordinator introduces a dependent clause, scarcely when a two-word correlative correlates an independent to a dependent clause. Let's identify and verbalize the relationship conjunctions that indicate the connection between the two nouns shown in the pictures. Use a coordinator to show the relationship between two penguins. Use a subordinator to show the relationship between two car owners. Use a relative, correlative, to show the relationship between a racing bull and a horse. Use a phrasal conjunctive to show the relationship between a cat and a baby. Let's choose the correct conjunctions to complete each sentence. For connects two clauses and forms a compound sentence. Whoever connects two clauses and forms a complex sentence. Whether or connects two clauses to show an option. On the other hand, connects two sentence parts to show contrast. This is a sentence crafting challenge. Let's frame sentences with a single word mid-placed coordinating conjunction yet to form a compound sentence, with a compound initial placed subordinating conjunction whereas to form a complex sentence, with a two-word initial placed correlative conjunction such that to show a result, with a phrasal mid-placed conjunctive adverb as a consequence to show cause and effect. Let's combine clauses to form meaningful sentences. Use a coordinator for to form a compound sentence. Use a subordinator whoever to form a complex sentence. Use a correlative rather than to show a relation. Use a conjunctive, in other words, to show a relation. Writers must choose conjunctions that best suit the tone, purpose, and flow of their writing. Let's explore how. The coordinators but and so, as well as the subordinator because, are used to join three sentences. Let's use four types of conjunctions to improve clarity and precision. So is coordinating conjunction. Nevertheless is a conjunctive adverb. Because is a subordinating conjunction. And not only but also is a correlative conjunction used to join four sentences. Changing coordinating conjunctions can shift meaning. Let's explore how. So shows cause and effect, suggesting the outcome was a result of an action, but shows a contrast, implying that despite the action, the result was unexpected. Changing subordinating conjunction also can shift meaning. Because shows cause and effect, indicating a direct cause for an outcome. Since shows cause and effect, implying temporal or casual meaning. Changing conjunctive adverbs can shift meaning. Nevertheless expresses concession. However, shows contrast. Changing correlative conjunctions also can shift meaning. Either or presents two options, but the action is still required. Neither nor rules out both options and the action is deferred. Let's identify the errors and suggest the clearest, most effective ways to revise the sentences. Use the coordinating conjunction but to show contrast instead of yet, which is typically used to imply an unexpected outcome. The past perfect form had broken is appropriate for indicating an action that occurred before another action in the past. The subordinating conjunction, even though effectively introduces contrast and enhances clarity in sentence structure. Use such a before a noun phrase, example, such a cold night, rather than so, which is generally placed before an adjective or adverb without a noun. Example, so cold that. Use the conjunctive adverb therefore to indicate a result or consequence rather than however, which is typically used to express contrast. Let's now synthesize everything. Write a paragraph using conjunctions. Be creative. That's it for now. Thanks for joining this journey into the world of conjunctions. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Comment below with your questions and insights. Let's keep learning together.